Hello, welcome everyone. I am Aditi Ghoshal. Today we have with us Mr. Shayan Sundar Lahiri, Faculty of GK and Current Affairs. Sir, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
West Bengal Public Service Commission (WBPSC) conducts the WBCS exam. The three stages are preliminary, mains, and interview. And today we are here to get a general overview of the overall WBCS 2022 exam preparation strategy, focusing more on GK and current affairs. Sir, when should one start preparing for WBCS 2022? According to you, what is the right age or time to start preparing?
See, it is the most lucrative job of the state government, and the bureaucrats are recruited through this job. So, one should start preparation from the end of graduation, and if the candidate can start the preparation as well as the conception during the third year, it is the best time. So, after that, the completion of graduation, he or she can move into the course and they can appear for the exam. Okay, and though the actual scenario of the competitive exam, actual scenario of the academics there are hell and heaven difference. Same topics, the approach of the same topic in the academics and approach of the same topic in the competitive field, both are different. And to cope up with the situation and to handle this situation, the third year ongoing preparation is best way.
Okay, sir. Sir, how does one start preparing for GK and current affairs for WBCS as there is no curriculum?
Yes, GK and current affairs, as the candidates have no impact of this subject in their academics. But in WBCS, there is a huge impact of this subject. We know that there are three stages of the examination. One is preliminary, second one is main, and third one is personality test or interview. In each of the area, GK current affairs is one of the most important subjects. Okay, in preliminary, as per PSC, the allotted marks is 25. In mains, officially it has been told that 80, but sometimes we have seen that it is 90 to 100. And in personality test, there is also an impact of the current affairs part. Okay, so students should take care of this subject very carefully.
Sir, what are the job profiles of WBCS and how does each category fit under the bureaucracy system?
I have said that it is the most lucrative job of the West Bengal government, and the bureaucrats are recruited through this job. Actually, there are 4 groups. Okay, PSC recruits under 4 groups. Group A, here is WBCS Executive Service. Number 2, WBCS West Bengal Labour Service. Number 3, West Bengal Revenue Service. There are various posts there. Next, Group B, there is West Bengal Police Service. Group C, Joint BDO. Okay, and Group D, there is Inspector of Cooperative Services. Okay, so there are various posts, and each of the posts are most important to run a system. System means here an administrative system, and each post has same importance in the administration. So if any student get chances in WBCS, he or she should very much aware about the post, and it will help them to serve in future.
What according to you the best combination of subjects that can help in achieving high score in WBCS?
Actually, WBCS in mains, there are compulsory papers and optional paper. So optional paper is a very vital part in this sub exam. Okay, so in optional subject, student should remember that he or she may not be the master of this subject, but he or she should carry maximum marks for getting chance in the group A or B service. So for this, students should select a subject that is easier to tackle and that is more scorer. So in that scenario, PSC offers 37 subjects, optional subjects, but the most lucrative subject for optional is anthropology, as it is related to our day-to-day life. Any student from any stream, whether are from arts background or commerce background or science background, okay, all can cope up with this subject, and it is very scoring subject, as the scenario of this subject, as the structure of this subject is very handy.
Exactly, sir. Sir, please share with us a few tips to prepare for GK and current affairs for WBCS.
As I said, that it is the most important, one of the most important part for the WBCS exam. So students should very much careful about this subject. For current affairs 2022 preliminary, students should take preparation for the last 1 year current affairs, and student can divide the topics not haphazardly. There are most important topics are there, 8 to 10 topics, like awards and honors, books and authors, appointments, summits and conferences, miscellaneous news, indexes. There are 8 to 10 topics. So students should divide the information according to the topic and should take preparation, and must have revision on daily basis, because it's a huge database subject. And for GK also the same formula will be applicable. There are various topics for competitive exam, most probably for WBCS prelims and mains, most probably there are 50 to 55 topics are important, just like important days, festivals and fairs, international organization, sports terminologies. So just like current affairs, the student should have the proper idea about the topic, and topic wise study is most important for getting chance in WBCS.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. That's all for today, and hope this was really helpful. For more details, you can visit our website www.riseindia.org. Thank you.
35 বছর ধরে লক্ষ লক্ষ স্বপ্ন সত্যি করে চলেছে রাইজ, আজও সাফল্যের শিখরে।